Good morning, my dear friends. Happy Sunday to each and every one of you. Today is a special Sunday. It's the Sunday of the Epiphany. The three wise men went to pay homage to Jesus Christ, the newborn baby. They went to pay homage, to show respect. They followed the sign, and when they found Jesus, they paid him homage. Today, I would like to listen to this wonderful Red Sand music by Longe Longe, one of our highly celebrated Cameroonian musicians. This song is highly timely in the present status quo of the deplorably despicable condition of our beloved and fatherland, Cameroon. This song needs to be listened by every Cameroonian worth the name, especially by our bishops, our Catholic bishops, who are presently in Boya for their 48th Assembly of Bishops. Please listen to this song, then I'll comment after.
Je suis votre libérateur. Je vais mourir pour vous. Que celui qui me tue ne reste pas mourir. C'est la pensée de l'homme qui détermine son devenir. Ma liberté de penser ne changera jamais. Le Cameroun d'aujourd'hui, c'est pas le Cameroun d'avant, mon ami. Le Cameroun des Allemands, c'est pas le Cameroun des Français. Le Cameroun d'Aïdjo, c'est pas le Cameroun de Paul Biya. Le Cameroun de Paul Biya ne sera pas comme pour Longue Longue. Ayo, mama, oh, c'est vous-même qui avez dit que nul ne sera plus inquiété pour ses idées et ses opinions. À cause de ma liberté de penser, ils ont failli me tuer, comme ils ont tué Martinez Osogo. Ils m'ont torturé, ils ont pris mon passeport. Le Cameroun d'aujourd'hui, c'est pas le Cameroun d'avant. Le Cameroun des Allemands, c'est pas le Cameroun des Français. Le Cameroun d'Aïdjo, c'est pas le Cameroun de Paul Biya. Le Cameroun de Paul Biya ne sera pas là pour Longue Longue. De torturer Longue Longue. Rappelez-vous mes amis de l'année 91. Rappelez-vous mes amis de l'année 92. Rappelez-vous mes amis de l'année 91. C'était la ville montée un peu partout. C'était la ville montée un peu partout. Oui. On a perdu des militaires, on a perdu des étudiants. Ça avait fait ça à Malibiale. Ils avaient fait ça jamais les bois. Ils avaient trompé la bureau de Banga. Nos enfants avaient disparu avec Panda. Mais on dit toujours zéro mort. On dit toujours zéro mort. Les enfants m'avaient dit. On dit toujours zéro mort. Les enfants Agaoundé. On dit toujours zéro mort. Nos enfants disparus avec Panda. On dit toujours zéro mort. Zéro mort.
Let this soft mineral melt in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth and never need a dentist again. Did you know there is a natural way to regrow teeth and gums?
Le Cameroun des Allemands, c'est pas le Cameroun des Français. Le Cameroun des Haïtiens, c'est pas le Cameroun de Paul Biya. Et le Cameroun de Paul Biya, ça ne sera pas le Cameroun de Longue-Lengue. Parce que trop, c'est trop. Nous avons marre. So this song, my dear friends, is extremely timely for this present moment in the life of in the political life of Cameroon. We expect our bishops to come out powerfully as the moral conscience, as the moral authority and the moral voice of the vulnerable and the defenseless Cameroonians. The suffering is extremely despicable. The deplorable roads. We are, as the Frenchman would say, nous avons marre. We are fed up. We are fed up with the Biya regime. We need change. We can't continue for 42 years of slavery. Cameroon is not the personal property of Paul Biya, and he has to know that. All those around Paul Biya trying to promote him by making him stand for the 2005 presidential elections are unbearable sycophants. These are guys who have no love for Cameroon. People are dying. There is a war that has been going on for 8 donkey years, and we have a president in Cameroon who sleeps comfortably, and our bishops. Is that possible? I highly commend Longue for coming out with this powerful song, which is an advocacy to all what we have been writing about the deplorable condition of Cameroon. The time is now. We have no time to waste about it. We have no time to waste. The bishops cannot afford to jeopardize their moral authority in speaking for the voiceless. It is their responsibility to speak out for the voiceless. Otherwise, they will be simply considered as a bunch of hypocrites. The whole world, not only Cameroon, the entire globe is watching Buya to see what the bishops are going to say. We are going to know at the end of this assembly, 48th assembly, whether the bishops are truly servants of God and voice of the voiceless. We are going to know as soon as this. We can't wait to read the declaration, because trop c'est trop, as the Frenchman would say. Nous avons marre. Vous avez compris? We are fed up with the system, with the corrupt system. We want change. Yes. Cameroon is not the personal property of Paul Biya. We want change, and every Cameroonian should join us in this advocacy. The time is now. Thank you very much. Adios. Au revoir.